Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get cheap car insurance in California. So you simply need to search for keep cheap car insurance in California. So search for that and here you can see that $39 full coverage insurance affordable costs in 60 seconds. So you simply need to open the first website, free auto insurance quotes, and your auto codes are almost ready, so click on continue. So here you need to select your vehicle year, your vehicle type, model, we found your matches, add your zip code and click on continue, and after that they will give you a code and you can check the pricing. If that pricing match to you, you can go for that. And let's suppose if that price not you like, you can also find another websites that offer a cheap car insurance in California. So this is the process that you need to follow to get cheap car insurance in California. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.